set of feeler gauges. Mine's is 12 thousandths of an inch. It's marked on the feeler gauges, metric and imperial. So 12 thou in the air gap in between the flywheel and the coil. The coil's got slots on it, so you can slacken the screws just tight enough that you can move the coil back and forward and then tighten it down. So tighten it down once you've got the 12 thou gap, and just check it on both sides. Give it a good tighten down. That's not going to move, and we're just checking the gap again. And what we want to do is just rotate that round to make sure we have free movement all the way around and there's no obstructions on it. And that's basically your coil set. So we'll move on to the pull cord before we get stuff going back on. I like to check the cord's not frayed. I like to give it a little clean if you best you can. It doesn't need to be spotless. And I like to give mine a little spray.
With?
A little WD-40, the usual stuff. I've got a little silicone. I like putting a bit of silicone on mine. That just lets it do its free movement. Just check everything's okay. We can drop this back in again. Oh, so it's basically in.